What is up, everyone? It's Spencer, and I don't know. I'm gonna change up that intro because I really fucking hate it. I don't know. That's just seemed awkward right there. But anyway, what is up? Today, I've been gone for a very long time. It's been like a year since I uploaded. I don't know. I just never was motivated and stuff, and then I thought to myself, time is just passing me by, and like I'm getting fucking older, and I need to do some shit because I don't want to be working at some shitty job for the rest of my life. But so today we're gonna be showing, or I'm gonna be showing you guys some of my new pickups that I've gotten. It's probably in like the last like month or so of new stuff that I've got, and I'm just gonna show you guys. So let's start off with the first piece. So first piece is Vetmon. What was that gonna focus? It's a lawn sleeve, but it came with shoulder pads, so it was supposed to fit all bulky on the shoulders. Here's a picture of that, of what it's supposed to look like. But I decided to cut the shoulder pads out, so it would fit like a normal lawn sleeve. And then on the back of it, it says "Total Fucking Darkness." This piece I've wanted for a very long time, the hoodie version of it, but I just didn't have the money for that. And I found this one. Retail on it was $1,200. But with the shoulder pads, it kind of just looked really like retarded wearing it out. So I decided to cut it up. I know that defaces the value a lot, but Vetmon doesn't even have a high value really. Aftermarket, it just drops a lot. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Anyway, okay, that's first piece done. Second piece, another Vetmon piece. It is Hi, I Don't Care, Thanks. And then on the back, it is Today is Not Your Day, and then I don't believe you can see it because it's reverse stitching. So it's supposed to be like, this is the like inside of the hoodie, but it's supposed to be worn like that. So you can show this on the outside. I really like that concept. I don't know. A lot of people that don't know what this is probably look at me like I'm fucking retarded. I don't know how to put on a sweatshirt. But on the back here, it says, I only can be nice to one person today. And then that's what it says in the yellow at the top. And then it says, today is not your day. And then on the bottom it says, tomorrow doesn't look good either. I like this piece just because, I don't know, it gives me strange looks. But I just like how it looks, and then the fit is great. It's a little oversized. It's a very nice material, very thick. So anytime I wear this, if it's like cold outside or something, I don't need to worry about putting something on underneath, because this keep me warm enough. Another thing I wanted to talk about, isn't it strange that, like, with high-end pieces, right? Like, you look at someone like walking around with a t-shirt or something, and like you may think, oh, that's just probably like a normal t-shirt and stuff. Like, it's not that not that expensive. Not that that means anything, but just like, I don't know, if you're buying high-end stuff, like you just look at other things and be like, oh, like that's probably not that expensive or something. But with pieces like this, like, people don't know that it's Vetmon, and most people just think it's like a normal t-shirt, but like people like us that spend so much money on this like hold such a high value. Honestly, it's like because we like the look of it, but then it's like people may think we're like crazy for spending that type of money on an item, but then when we put it on, we're like oh my god, like this is so great that I have this now. But in all reality, somebody could make this for a lot cheaper. Not to say that you want to be like wearing fakes and like you like to support the brand. I don't know. That's just a strange concept to me that like I spend so much money on things and then I wear it, but it's not like anybody knows what it is, so it doesn't really matter. But I don't wear it to like show off that I can buy like expensive clothes or something. I don't know where I was going with that. Next item we have Supreme S logo sweats. I used to own this actual pair, and then I traded with a friend, and then a week ago I saw him again, and then he had these and he was trying to get rid of them, so I'm like, okay, I'll buy them from you. He wanted $100, which is not a bad deal. These go for like $120. Not to say that I'm gonna sell it, but just for the value of it, that I think I was getting a good deal. When he brought them back, or when I saw them again, they had in the crotch area like a really bad stain. And I was not going to wear those, but luckily I was able to get them out. So now I can wear them. And since summertime is coming around, I think I am going to cut these and make them into shorts, because I can't really wear these pants because I'll probably die of a heat stroke, because I'm already hot anyway, just wearing shorts and a t-shirt right now. The next piece that I have, these Playboy sweats, or Playboy sweat shorts. They were from PacSun, from the most recent Playboy collab. These are really comfy. I don't like the feel of normal shorts really. Like I'll wear basketball shorts and stuff, but if I'm gonna go out, I don't like to wear like normal shorts. I don't know. I think they're just too thin. They don't like work on my legs. Probably because I'm like overweight. So I need to fix that. But with these are just really comfy and like casual, and they just feel like sweatpants, but I'm not dying of heat. Alright, and for my final item, these are my Grail. These are probably the most sought after thing I've wanted for a very long time. They are the Supreme patchwork pants. I really love the design behind these. I love just like the patches all over, like they look like I'm wearing my grandma's blanket. With these, I've never seen a large or an XL on the market. The only ones that I've ever seen is a size medium and small, and I finally got enough money to buy these. So I went on Grailed, and I was gonna buy a size medium and then take them to a tailor and slice them down the middle, or not slice them down the middle, but slice them down each side of the leg. It probably would have looked really fucked up, but I was gonna put like pants or like a black sweat in between them, just so I'd be able to fit them, because a size medium in Supreme pants I don't usually fit. It just depends on the sweats actually, but I don't believe for this season that I would fit them. So anyway, I go on Grailed and I'm scrolling. I type in Supreme patchwork sweats because I knew there was the medium on there, and then like 1 minute ago posted Supreme patchwork pants size large, and I'm like fuck, I need to get these. And they were $7.50, and that's like pretty expensive for pants, but like obviously these are like really rare, and I don't ever find a pair of size, or like a size L in them, or a size XL. So I offered the guy a little below $7.50, and then I was like, would you do $6.50 and stuff? And he's like, honestly, I'm not in a rush to sell, but I am like, I need these pants, and someone's obviously gonna buy them for his asking price. So I'm like, fuck it, spent the extra money, and I got the pants. I wear these probably like 3 times a week. I know that's probably disgusting. But those are my favorite pants ever, and I'll probably wear those until they are stained or like fucked up, and I'll still wear them. Probably to the point where I have to get a tailor to fix holes on them. But honestly, I feel that will just add character to them. With these pants, I don't know. They are not like on the outside, like it seems like a blanket tight, but like where it'd be like really hot to wear. But honestly, the inside is really like comfortable, not thick at all. So when wearing these out in the heat, like I'm not dying, which is very nice because summertime I'll still be able to wear them. I thought about trying to like get lucky somehow and find another size like L in them and then like cut them up. I don't know. Maybe that's fucked up. I don't know. But so like I could wear them or like have them in shorts because I'm not gonna cut my only pair into them because I love them so much. And then for my last item, we got some new Raf Simons, or they're not new. They are from last year. This black and yellow colorway. I wanted to get for my girlfriend because I think that would be really cute on her. Anyway, so I was just going store to store on Melrose, and I found these in my size. Usually I don't find these in my size. They're always like size 10 because every person in the world is a size 10 besides me with a size 12. But with those, I'm glad I picked them up. I don't know. They're a little difficult to style with. I feel wearing them mostly with shorts works better, whereas wearing them with pants, they just look really bulky because they're like big and it's a size 12, so like the yellow stands out a lot. Whereas like the other colorways, like the blue and red, you can wear those more subtle, but where these just, I feel they stand out a lot. Most people probably look at these and think I went to a doctor to get these fit for my foot, because that's what they look like. They're big ass boats, but I love them. And that's pretty much it for my new pickup. Also, I'm starting my new clothing line, so that should be coming out in like a few months or so. I don't know. I feel like I want to make a whole collection for them before I release it, because I don't want to just release like one or two pieces. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the video, guys. Make sure to comment what you guys want to see more. Tell me if you like this video. And then I can keep doing collection videos or like new pickup videos, and then I'm gonna try to like just make more videos about different things or like grails of mine and stuff, just so I'm not posting a video every 6 months or a year. So yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.